Yes. Share my video so that we can start. Early morning, it's raining in Kampala, or it's drizzling, I don't know how to call it. I don't know when I last made a live podcast, but I'm live and my name is Gashumba. Share my video if you need information, if you're interested in facts and figures. Share my video so that we can start, and it must be now. It has to be now. And if you're not interested in facts, please don't watch this video. Don't watch it. If you're interested in facts and figures, this is the video you must watch now. And if you have a member of parliament, please share this video. Share this video. If you have a member of parliament that you know, share this video. If you're related to a member of parliament, this video is meant for Ugandans who really are interested in facts and figures. You post your nonsense, I block you. Simple. I've just blocked it. 3 idiots now. This is my page. If you don't believe in Frank Gashumba, if you don't believe in what I say or what I post, kindly don't follow me. I don't recall ever requesting you to follow me. Never. I don't invite friends. There are very few instances when I invite people to follow me. You get my point? Now, members of parliament are electing the Speaker of Parliament today. Actually, I think the next 1 hour or two, voting for the speakership will be starting. And the former Speaker of Parliament, she has been all over saying that she's a lady that has been fighting for the rights of women in Uganda. A lie, a total lie. Kadaga, you a liar. You've survived these entire years because Ugandans are not very good at looking at facts and figures. And I'm here to give you facts and figures. Kadaga, you don't represent women. You are not fighting for women's rights. Actually, you are suffocating women's rights. Kadaga has been in the parliament of Uganda since 1989. She has been in the parliament of Uganda since 1989. She was a member of the National Resistance Council. She participated in the drafting of the CA. Mulia oyo Kadaga Omukambwe oyo. Kadaga abadde mu parliament okuva 1989 nga nkyali mu A-level. Owulira? Kadaga yo Kadaga wamu mwena RC okuva 1989. Kadaga tamanyi lita y'amafuta bwegula. Okuva 1989, you taxpayers have been funding her lifestyle. Kadaga nagenda mu CA. Kadaga yabaddeko minister wa transport. Kadaga yabaddeko minister wa regional corporation. Kadaga yabaddeko minister wa regional corporation, transport ne parliamentary affairs. Kadaga has been a Speaker of Parliament for 20 years. Remember, she was a Deputy Speaker for 2 terms and she has served as the Speaker of Parliament for 10 years. Those are 20 years. 20 years. Neya kugamba mbuno alabiri abakyala. Nonsense. Singa, let me even push you back. Woman MP seat baji creatinga abakyala bagijireko. Woman MP seat baji creatinga. Woman MP seat baji creatinga omukyala ajimirireko asavinga ekisanja kimu oba ebiri agiveeko ng'afunyemu ku maanyi ajoininga race y'abasajja. Nga bwe mulaba abaana bagenda e Makerere, abawala babawa I think 1.5 points nga bayingira e Makerere. Naye ate omwana bamala okutuuka e Makerere, ba lecturers tebamuwa free marks ayina ozikolerera. So bakuriatinga siti y'abakyala, omukyala afunemu amaanyi, siti ye yagiveeko abisanye n'abasajja. Mu Uganda muno tulinamu abakyala nga mukyala Namboze, Bawini Byanyima, bo mu bulamu bwabwe tibayitanga ku city y'abakyala. Nen Kadaga successfully city y'abakyala n'agi owninga. Owulira. N'agi owninga. Kati agamba mwababaka mwe namulabye ekiro ku TV ng'agamba ng'akunga abalonzi bumugamba ababaka bange ababaka bamwe bannonde nwanirire abanyigirizibwa nonsense. Ani yakkiriza abeesefusa okuyingira mu parliament okuba ababaka ba parliament mutogikwatako? It was Rebecca Kadaga. Actually, I know it from a source. She even created an office for them at parliament. Mwe baasula ne beetegeka how they are going to raid parliament. Mujjukire nti 85% of Ugandans bagamba nti constitution ya Uganda tebagikwatako. Kadaga yennyini nakkiriza amagye ne gayingira mu parliament n'abawa ne office mu bakomandingiranga. That woman Kadaga. Owulira? That woman Kadaga. N'abawa office. Yennyini yagamba nti ababaka bonna batakkiriza nti togikwatako ba Ssemujunganda, ba Namboze, ba Muhammad Nsereko, ba Bobi Wine bonna ne babafulumya. Who allowed them to enter parliament? It was her. Don't allow her to fool you. Nali njagala babaka abasikale beesefusikale ba breaking parliament ba jumping over tutegerere nti omukazi yagezezaako ne byaganye. Ndi mu kubroking anatandise da ban block and delete. You get my point? 85% of Ugandans said timukwata ku constitution. Ani yakkiriza abaka okuyingira mu parliament? It was her. Kati ekirala. She has been the most extravagant speaker we've ever had in the history of Uganda. Tewali muntu mu Uganda traveling nga Rebecca Kadaga. Oyinza oganti akola mu nnyonyi. Rebecca Kadaga. She's all over the world, Canada, US. N'ekibuuzo kiri nti byatambudde ebyo biyambye omukyala mu Uganda, biyambye omukyala e Busoga. Busoga kye kimu ku bifo ebisingamu obwavu mu Uganda. Busoga kye kifo kye kimu ekisingamu abaana abawala abafuna embuto nga tebannaba kwetuuka. And that's the area she has represented since 1989. Since 1989. Nzijjukira emyaka ng'etaano envunza zalumba Busoga. You can't tell me you are the right honorable speaker of parliament nenga abantu boli presentinga envunza zibula kubatta. No. Akaseera katuuse maama otulabyeko Kadaga otulabyeko. Kadaga ali extravagant. Kadaga alina convoy erimu emmoloka ezisoba mu 9. Ne ambulance emmeka ziri mu Busoga. How many ambulances are in Busoga? It's on record. Kadaga yayagalako bamugulye ne helicopter. Mu speaker wa parliament mu Uganda bamugulye helicopter. Nga yalagiflyinga from Kampala to Kamuli. Do we have regional parliaments? Tuina parliament e Kabale, tuina parliament e Ruwa, e warranting omugulye helicopter. Mwababaka abanda now, if you are watching me now, as you are going to vote, I vote for Rebecca Kadaga. Trust me, it will be a disaster for this country. Echirala, tuigo kusima. The Siwagira movement. I don't subscribe to NRM. I disagree with the NRM 99% kumintu byekola. Naye, it's Yoweri Museveni that made Kadaga. Yoweri Museveni yawamba obuyinza 1986. Yoweri Museveni pushed himself to Kampala. Na wamba obuyinza. Singa Museveni yawamba Kampala, Kadaga yalifuusa speaker one. Ne it's on public record. Nti abereyo namuvuma namu insultinga. Yali ku Quest TV n'agamba musinga uli Kadaga yali Quest TV n'agamba if it wasn't Kadaga Museveni would be in Rwakitula looking after his cows. That was an insult of the highest order. Actually, in her statement, she admits yamenya amateeka mangi Ssabalwanyi afune lifetime presidency. You can't tell me you don't respect your party. You don't respect the leader of your party. Ngosubira bamemba ba NRM basobola okutrustinga. I don't subscribe to NRM. I don't support NRM. But I know Museveni is the leader of NRM. And it's Museveni who made all of those. Tewali muntu ali mu NRM nga Museveni si yamufuula kyali kino kanti babulire. Kino kyogera. Kadaga wali badde wasinga NRM. Gwe isabire ne wono yogera otya ono yawedde kino kanti bagambe. Mumpulire. So kyekyo. Okene mpola. So Kadaga ababaka mwenna mbagamba, I'm appealing to you. The next 10 years should be good years. Share out the SFC. Neba kuba ababaka ne banamboza abo ne bamenye emigongo. Namboze kati atambulira na ku miggo. Ne kati azanyira kumwe ku bwongo mbu she's fighting for you. No. Kadaga, she's not fighting for you. She's fighting for herself. The day Ugandans, you get to know what's happening in this country. Mwenna mujja kuzuukukanga mukayi. Parliament eyo kanchi bagambe singa mumanye ekiri mu parliament eyo. Kadaga, okuva 1989, you are representing Busoga. Nenga abaana basinga ofuna embuto bali mu Busoga. Busoga yehabu y'obwavu. 40 miles from Kampala. Echirala, what you guys don't know, Kadaga abadde number 3 mu NRM. Era abadde number 3 mu government. Ne title ezo zirabe Busoga. Kubanga leadership is about transforming people's lives. If you cannot transform people's lives, you cease to be a leader. Senkunga, I'm not blackmailing her. These are facts. Challenge me. These are facts. These are facts.